Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about solving of some numerical problems in 9th class physical science in the chapter atoms and molecules. In the textual question number 13, so conversion of the given substances into moles. So how can we convert the given mass of the substances into moles? So textual question number 13, atoms and molecules chapter, numerical problems. So it is a part 1 video students. So first problem number A, 12 grams of O2 is given. Mass of O2 is a 12 grams is a given. And we know that molecular mass of O2, that is O plus O, which is atomic weight of oxygen is 16 and 16, that is 32 U, where U is a unified mass. Then molar mass of O2 is 32 grams. But molecular mass is the 32 U. U means unified mass students. The same molecular mass of oxygen when you write in the form of grams. So it will be molar mass of 2. Now we want to change this one into number of moles. That is how many moles of O2 present in 12 grams of oxygen. So number of moles. It is denoted by N. So molar mass is denoted by capital M. N is equals to small m by capital M students. Formula, mass of the substance, given substance by its molar mass. So N is equals to 12 grams by 32 grams. Gram cancel. 4 3s, 4 8s. 3 by 8. So N is 3 by 8. So if you divide 3 with 8, so it will be equal to 0.375 moles. So 12 grams of oxygen has a 0.375 moles. 0.375 moles. So to convert the given mass of substance into moles, just given mass of the substance is divided with molar mass students. Now we go to second one. Students. So 12 grams of O2 is calculated. Now 20 grams of water. So mass of water is a given. It is denoted by small m, 20 grams. And we know that molecular mass of water, it is denoted by, that is its formula is H2O, which is H plus O. We want to substitute atomic weights, that is 1 plus 16, so which is 18U. Then molar mass of water. Molar mass is nothing but expressing the molecular mass of a substance in grams. So molar mass of water is 18 grams. 18U is a molecular mass, 18 grams is. Now how many moles present in 20 grams of number of moles of water in 20 grams? So it is denoted by N students. N is given by the formula small m by capital M. So small m 20 grams and this one is 18 grams. Gram cancel, 2 tens, 2 nines. So 10 by 9, it will be 1.11 moles. So 20 grams of water has 1.11 moles, students. So now we go to finding number of moles present in 22 grams of carbon dioxide, students. How can we find number of moles present in 22 grams of carbon dioxide, students? Answer for the question number C. So mass of carbon dioxide, that is CO2, it is denoted by small m, 22 grams given. Molecular mass of CO2. So you know CO2 has 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atoms, which is equal to 12 plus 16 plus 16. These are nothing but atomic weights of these atoms. So this is equal to 44U. 12, this is 16, 28, 28 plus 116, 30, 44U. Then molar mass of CO2 is denoted by capital M, that is 44 grams. So molar mass of given substance is nothing but expressing the molecular mass of a substance in the form of grams. Just you are replacing U with G. It will be molar mass. So now how many moles present in 22 grams of CO2? Number of moles of CO2 we want to find. It is denoted by N. So we know that N is given by the formula small m by capital M. So N is small m, 22 grams and 44 grams. Gram cancel, 22 ones, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Here number of moles has no units, it is only number. So this is a solution for third one, students. So in the textual question number 13, there are 3 problems. So conversion into moles from the given mass of the substance. So now we go to another problem, another textual problem on this topic. So now we are doing textual question number 11, students, in this chapter. Calculate the mass of the following. Calculate the mass of the following. So we want to calculate mass, but in the previous case mass is a given. So now what are given we see now. Question number A, 0.5 mole of N2 gas. Question number B, 0.5 mole of N atoms. 0.5 mole of N atoms. And question number C, 3.011 into 10 power 23 number of N atoms. Nitrogen atoms, children, N atoms means capital N. And question number D, 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of N2 molecules. So these are the given. So we want to find the mass. So now here one thing we want to remember in every case. 1 mole is equals to, that is N. is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules or particles. So this is we want to remember, students, to solve it. So that number is also called Avogadro number. So 1 mole of any substance has those number of particles. So now using that concept, we can solve first question number A, 0.5 mole of N2 gas. So we want to calculate mass. So number of moles N is given, students, 0.5, and we know that molecular mass of N2, that is N plus N, which is given 14 plus 14, that is 28 U, 28 unified mass. And we know that molar mass of N2, capital M, is just 28 grams, just U is replaced. Now we want to find mass of N2, students. It is denoted by small m, and we know the formula small n is equals to small m by capital M. This implies small m is equals to n into capital M. So small m is equals to n value. Number of moles given, student, 0.5, and capital M came 28 grams. So small m is equals to, this is 14 grams, multiplying with 14 grams, students. So here you can write this is a 14 grams on multiplying 0.5 into 28 on multiplying with 0.5. So we can get 14 grams, students. So now problem number B, how can we solve? What is the mass? So this is, you want to remember, students, this is problem number B. So here also number of moles N value is given, students, 0.5, but N atoms, but here N2 given. So N2 means, in the previous case we took molecular weight, but here atomic weight. So we know that atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 U. Then molar mass of only nitrogen atom, it is denoted by capital M. This is 14 grams. Then we want to find mass of N atoms. So it is denoted by small m, students. So we know the formula small n is equals to small m by capital M. So then small m is equals to n into capital M. So this is small m is equals to n value 0.5 and this one 14, and this will be equal to 7 grams. So 0.5 mole of N atoms has 7 grams, students. 7 grams. So that's all this problem. Now we go to C. So from C and D we can see one thing, but here number of moles not given, only number of particles present in the given problem. So here we want to remember one thing in the problem number C. We know that 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23. So this implies 3.011 into 10 power 23 N atoms equal to half mole, students. You can see 1 mole means this value. When it is divided with 2, you can get this is 3 by 2. 6.022 into 10 power 23 by 2. 2 3s 0 1 1. So 1 mole is equals to this number of particles. Then in the given problem, this number of N atoms present. So this number of N atoms equal to half mole. So N value is given half, that is 0.5. And N atoms means we want to take molar mass of N atom. Molar mass of nitrogen atom. From atomic weight we want to take, students. So it is taken as capital M, that is 14 grams. And we want to calculate mass of N atoms. Mass of N atoms denoted by small m. And same formula, N is equals to small m by capital M. Small m is equals to N into capital M, that is 0.5 into 14, that is 7 grams, students. So that is why here we want to use the concept. So you can see clearly this is N is equals to small m by capital M, students. Okay. So here formula is there. So here formula is N is equals to small m by capital M. N is equals to small m by capital M. That implies small m is equals to N into M. So that is the problem number C in the question number 11. Children, now D, what about the problem number D? What about problem number D, students? Solution for problem number D. So we know that 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Those particles may be atoms or molecules or ions. So in the given problem 6.022 into 10 power 23 N2 molecules given. This is also equal to 1 mole. So because 1 mole equal to this one, but particles means here nitrogen molecules given. In the previous problem, what was given? N atoms, nitrogen atoms given. So we want to take number of moles, N is 1, and also molar mass of N2. Molar mass of N2 is nothing but capital M, N plus N, 14 plus 14, that is 28 grams. So now we want to find mass of N2 molecules. So how many molecules are present? So that is, what is the mass of this number of N2 molecules, Avogadro number of N2 molecules denoted by small m. So we have a formula, N is equals to small m by capital M, students. This implies small m is equals to N into capital M. So number of moles indirectly given, that is 1. And molar mass calculated from the molecular weight of nitrogen N2, 28. So which is equal to 28 grams. So that's all. These problems in the question number 11 and 13, students. Now we go to another one in this model. So we want to convert into, that is conversion of given substance, given mass into moles completed, and finding mass of the given substances is completed. Now calculate number of particles present in each of the following. So now 12th one, textual question. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. So here also we want to use this concept. So first one, Question number A is a given, students, that is 46 grams of sodium Na is a given. So how many particles are there in 46 grams of sodium? That is sodium atoms, how many there? So mass is a given, students. Here mass is 46 grams. 46 grams. And we know that molecular mass of Na is 23U. Then molar mass of Na, it is denoted by capital M, that is 23 grams. But actually molecular mass of sodium is 23U. Molar mass means we write generally 23 grams. So now number of moles first we want to find. This implies N is equals to small m by capital M. So that is small m is given 46 grams and this is 23 grams. Gram cancel, 23 1 so 23 2. So that is 2 moles here. Number of moles sodium, 46 grams of sodium has 2 moles. So we know that 1 mole of sodium equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 sodium atoms. This is common from that. But how many moles came? So 2 moles of sodium equal to how many? That is 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. That is multiplying this one. So on multiplying this, you can get 240, that is into 10 power 23 Na atoms. So this is 2 moles of sodium has how many nitrogen atoms? How many, sorry, not nitrogen atoms, sodium atoms. 12.044 Na atoms. Now second one, students. Second one we want to calculate. So how many molecules of oxygen present in 8 grams of O2? So here also we use the same concept to find the number of molecules. So question number B, students. Question number B in the 12, 8 grams of O2. 8 grams of O2. So 8 grams of O2. Mass is a given. Solution for this. Mass is 8 grams. Mass of O2 and molar mass of O2. But you know molecular mass of oxygen molecule O plus O 16 plus 16, that is 32U. But molar mass capital M is taken as 32 grams. So now how many moles are there in 8 grams? So N is question mark. N is small m by capital M. This implies N is equals to 8 grams by 32 grams. 8 grams by 32 grams. That is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 mole. That is 0.25 mole. So we know that 1 mole of O2 equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 O2 molecules. Then 1/4 mole of O2 equal to 1 by 4 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So which is equal to 1.505 into 10 power 23 O2 molecules. So 8 grams of O2 has that number of O2 molecules. So 8 grams of O2 has how many molecules? 1.505 into 10 power 23 O2 molecules, students. So this is written here as that is not visible at the bottom. It is written in the side. 1.505 into 10 power 23. So when you divide that one, you can get that 1.505 into 10 power 23 O2 molecules present in 8 grams of O2. Now last one students in this so in this problem, next one and last one, we want to find number of particles in 0.1 mole of hydrogen given. Problem number C, 0.1 mole of hydrogen given. So 0.1 mole of hydrogen given. So but hydrogen molecules are not given. Hydrogen given means we want to take a hydrogen atom. So directly given here, number of moles N is 0.1. N is a 0.1. So this has how many particles? So we know that 1 mole of hydrogen equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. Now 0.1 mole of hydrogen equal to 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 0.1 means we can write 1 by 10 students. 1 by 10 into 6.22 into 10 power 23. 110 and 110 here you can cancel. This is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 22 hydrogen atoms. 6.022 into 10 power 22 hydrogen atoms. So these are numerical problems in the part 1 in the chapter connected to molecular mass, molar mass and a number of moles and also Avogadro number students. That's all this topic.